Hi everyone, this is Pradeep and I'm from Chennai. I recently passed out from Velamal Engineering College as an automobile engineer. I first of all want to thank CADD Centre for giving me this opportunity to attend a specific interview that was on a job role of Creo. So I have undergone a thorough process of training with them for past few months in shaping my Creo skills and also other technical skills. To talk about Easy Hire program by Cloudkampus, it offered a in-depth session where I have to improve upon my communication skills, maybe the do's and don'ts while attending an interview, speaking with the interviewer, especially about the technical aspects while it comes to an interview. So talking about the interview session and also the hiring process in general with regards to Caresoft, I went through 4 stages of screening, onto which my first level of screening was onto my aptitude onto design. Second level of screening was onto my design knowledge with the tool, specifically the tool test with the Creo. Third round was all about the technical discussion about my previous experiences in my engineering career. Finally, the HR round, which had summed up with regards to the details of the job or the nitty-gritties of the job. So with regards to clearing each and every screening level and process, every instructor here, every staff here had thoroughly cooperated with us and provided their best in terms of their hospitality. Thank CADD Centre